In this video, I am going to show you how to run ads in Facebook page, right? Running Facebook ads from your Facebook page inside your Facebook business page. Now, if you're new to this video or new to this channel, kindly hit that like button and subscribe. Drop that comment saying, "Let's go, Mr. Ayo." I'm waiting for you right now. Drop it with the fire emoji 1 and 2. Now, listen to me very carefully. Should in case you have any problem along the line with anything I post in this video, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you need help with payment method, targeting, and so much more like that, you can chat this number you see on WhatsApp. I will solve your problem through video call, however you want it, right? So let's get straight into it without further ado. So the next thing you need to do in order to create ads from your Facebook page is going to facebook.com. This is the home page of my Facebook, right, which I'm going to be using as an example for you. So I'm just going to go down a bit. You're going to hover to the left hand side. You're going to hover down and you're going to click on see more. Okay, so once you click on see more, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see pages. Click on pages. So I'm just going to be selecting Ayo is marketing. Right now, this is a demo page which I'm going to use as an example for you. So if you want to follow me on Facebook, you can click on Facebook, go to Facebook, search for Ayo is marketing and follow me there, right? So now over to the left hand side, when you get to your page, you're going to see manage page, Ayo is marketing, whatever. So you're going to see something like ad center, create ads, or advertise. You are free to click on any of these three: ad center, create ads, or advertise. So for me, I'm just going to click on create ads, and this is going to take us to the next page where you're going to be seeing your ad settings, where you can select the objective, set the targeting, and so much more like that. So now this is the next page. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to go to the left right hand side of the screen, and you're going to see something like ad account. You can always switch your ad account here, don't forget, right? So you're going to go down to go. You're going to click on change, right? We don't want automatic payment, we want a goal. So the first thing you want to always ask whenever you want to run ads is what is the goal you want to get from your ads? What is the benefit? What is the goal of your advertisement? So you're going to see something like automatic, get more pages, get more website visitors, get more website purchases, so much more like this. So I'm just going to click on get more messages, show your ad to people who are more likely to send you message, good for sales. So I'm going to go down and you're going to click on save. So once I click on save, you're going to see something like add creative. How do you want your ad to look? Right, save time by turning one of your high performing posts into ad. So you can click on use a post. If you have a post that you've posted on your Facebook page that is doing well already, or that might have been getting you a lot of comments, you can click on use post, or you can decide to click on select media and upload the video from your computer, right? Choose a post from your page, whatever, or click on upload to upload. So for this, I'm just going to click on use a post. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, say let's go Mr. Ayo with that fire emoji. Just do that right now, so to keep the motivation going. I'm waiting for you. So thank you very much. Now please note that you can also follow this guide using your phone. Should in case maybe you have Chrome browser on your mobile phone, you can turn on the desktop view and follow the same guide. So you're going to see something like browse post, and you can see we have different kind of post here, right? So I'm just going to select one that has been doing well. I'm just going to click on use post, and once I click on use post, then you're going to see in the ad text right here. So you have to input something here. So for me, I'm just going to input the text right now. Let me pause the video. So whatever you're advertising, if you're advertising bags or whatever, just input the ad text. So I'm going to do that right now. Let me pause. So here is the ad test. I am going to craft out a target audience for your Facebook and Instagram ads that not only get you desperate buyers, but also get you millions of customers that refers you to their friends. Send me a message now, right? So this is what my ad text is all about. And also you can chat me on WhatsApp using this link or number you see on the screen. I will craft out an audience for you if you want me to do that, because I don't know the kind of business you are. So I'm just using this video as an example to teach you how to run ads on your Facebook page, right? You could waste millions of dollars or thousands of naira, right,
or currency, you can waste your money basically by not targeting the right audience. Do you understand? And not getting any sales. So I know what I'm saying. So you can chat me up. So we're just going to go down, right? Once you input your ad test, the video is there already, which is selected from my page, and I'm just going to go down, and on the headline you can change it whatever you sell. If you sell bag, put it there, put the name of the product there, right, in a very catchy way. And for me, I'm just going to put in as an example, okay, I'm just going to put that. Just make sure that your text is within the range of the specified character limit that is written here under the box. So once you have that, then you're going to go down. Once you go down, you are going to select your message destination. So if you want the ad to show on Messenger, you're going to tick it on. If you want it to show on Instagram, connect your Instagram account. If you want it on WhatsApp, you're going to select WhatsApp. So for me, I'm just going to select Messenger and WhatsApp. I'm going to leave Instagram, and I have my number connected. If you want to add a new one, you can click on add new number. So I'm just going to go down, and once I do this, I'm going to get to the audience level. So once you get to the audience level, you can always click on create new. I'm not going to create new audience here. I'm just going to do an example. You name your audience. Once you name your audience, you're going to see something like advantage plus audience. You can leave that on or decide to turn it off, right? But I advise you to leave it on. And you're going to see something like gender. You could select all if your product is meant for all, or select only women if your product is for women or men. So and as for the age, you should know 18-year-old mostly cannot purchase what you have unless you are just creating content. So you can select between 25 and above, or 30 and above, whatever. So on the locations, you want to type in your country or the state you want to target. So for this, you see Nigeria, and you can type in United States, and you can select the country. And once you're done, you're going to go down and click on the detail targeting box. Type in something like an interest. If you sell bags for women, you can click on women clothing apparel. Apparel means the accessories for clothing, right? So once you do this and you select everything, you select your target audience, and I could just click on save audience, and your audience will be saved. So once you're done, you select your audience. An audience has been selected for me. So I'm just going to go down, and you're going to see something like, remember, if you are willing to verify your ads account, you can chat me on WhatsApp. This can be done later. Do you understand? So you are going to see something like duration. You can choose an end date, or decide to run ads continuously until you post it. I used to use this so that my ads gain credibility, more comments, and when people see more comments and engagement on your ads in future, there's likely for them to engage more and buy from you. So social proof. So you're going to see something like daily budget. You can always adjust your daily budget to, let's say I want to spend 5,000 naira daily, and I'm going to go down. Or you want to spend $5 daily, just budget it, or $5,000 daily. And I'm going to click on placement. Just leave it like this. And you're going to add fonts. Make sure your fonts is accurate, right? Make sure your cards are all working. If you have problem with payment method, you can chat me on WhatsApp. Click on add font. Once you add font, then you click on the publish button here, and once you click on publish button here, your ads will be submitted for review, and once approved, your ad will start running successfully. So basically, you can run Instagram ads from this place as well. So you can decide to connect and just do everything. So I'll see you on the next video. My name is Ayo, and bye for now.